Hey everyone, I'm Lego Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For anyone who's new, welcome. WIGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you love seeing what people pick up in hauls, then you are in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so for anyone who currently follows me, thank you so much. You know I'm on a low buy. I'm also on a Project Pan. However, what you may already know about me is I tend to shop and then take forever to do unboxings. That's what's going on here. Back in the end of September of 2021, I did a few hauls and they have just been sitting here waiting, staring at me, looking at me, going, when are you going to unbox me? When are you going to film the unboxing? Please get me out of these boxes. So that's what's going on today. I have only made one purchase so far this year. Yes, can you believe it? And it was two technically. One was a $3 add-on that I did with Ipsy, and the other I spent 1,800 of my Ipsy points and picked up an eyeshadow palette. Did I spend much money? No. Did I technically pick up 2 items? Yes. All right, let me stop rambling and let's dive in. Okay, so this is going to be a mix. So the first is from Ulta, and based off of September, I'm going to assume this is something I got from their 21 days of, I don't know. I'm not even speculating. Let's just dive in and see what I got at Ulta. I know some of my followers and supporters, thank you so much, also have their own YouTube beauty channels. And even if you don't, let me know if anyone else does some shopping like I do, and then you just forget about it or you don't unbox to the point where you forget what you purchased. Is that just me, or is there a club I should start? Even though I made this purchase, it's kind of exciting because I completely forget, and it's almost like a mystery box. Oh, item number 1. I'm like, what the heck is this? What is this? Oh, this is the iHeart Revolution Cookie Shadow Palette. Wow, what interesting packaging. It's like squishy. It feels like one of those stress balls. Now I'm wondering, did I buy this for myself or to give to my niece for Christmas? Well, Christmas is over, so I'm super curious. I want to see what this looks like. All right, so this is the cookie. It is very squishy. Oh, I love that feeling. Oh my goodness. Comes with a mirror. It's neutral, but kind of a different type of neutral. We have some army green and a soft pastel green, some kind of camely, more warmer, and a brown and a soft pink. This is lovely. How adorable is that packaging? Knowing me, this came out like a year ago because I'm always late to that train. But let me know if anyone else, if you have this or have seen this or were always curious about it. All right, what else did I get? Okay, something else from iHeart Revolution. This here is the Rose Fizz palette. Ooh, and it looks very similar. Is it Too Faced? Who does those chocolate bar kind of tin type palettes? This looks very similar. Oh, this is raised up and it's shiny. It's plastic, but this feels, looks like metal melted, and it's like 3D. All right, let's take a look at this color story. The pans are very tiny and you get 18. Again, it's kind of a fall type neutral palette, I would say. A lot of these camel colors and some kind of brick, kind of cinnamon, some gray, green. Okay, yes. Let me know if you have this palette as well, have seen it, or if this is new to you. Always, I'm sure this has been out for quite some time. All right, what else did I get? Yes, I need another one of these. This is, before I threw it across the room, this here is tied for first with my Holy Grail mascara. It is the Lash Princess from Essence, and this is the waterproof variety. I use this as an eyelash topper. It is fantastic. It's great for the bottom lash line. I can always use one of them. And it only costs like $5. All right, what else did I get? Would it be me and shopping without getting some sort of a lip product? This here is from Ulta Beauty. So they have their own makeup line. This is in the shade Tickled Pink. It does come with like saran wrap or plastic around the outside. For that reason only, I'm going to not swatch it because I am doing Project Pan and trying to go through already existing products. I don't want to start the clock on that by taking off the packaging. But if I can find a picture, I will insert it on the screen so you can see what the shade looks like. All right, what else did I pick up? What is this? We have a product from CATRICE called Clean ID. It's the Insta-Bright Serum Primer. It's silicone free, is vegan, and has an optical effect. Not sure what that means. Hopefully it means that you could get glowy skin. It says it's suitable for sensitive skin and non-comedogenic. Oh, it is safety sealed. So for that reason, due to what I said before about Project Pan, I'm just gonna not open it up. Of all the products I have, primers are the ones I have like the most of opened and where they need to get used up. All right, anything else in this box? Yes, what is this? Okay, also from CATRICE, this here is the Clean ID Hydro BB Cream. It's vegan and standard 30 ml, and it's in the shade 010 Light. Presume this is going to be safety sealed as well. It's not. All right, since it's not, I will do a swatch. Ooh, that's a little darker. Well, until I spread it out. Maybe not. All right, where'd it go? Right there. All right, no, I guess that's fine. There, yes. Okay, that looks like a great match. Let me know if anyone is interested in... Oh, interesting. It has a scent. What does that smell like? It doesn't smell like flowers or fruit, but it also doesn't smell like a typical BB cream or foundation. It doesn't smell bad. It smells like the ingredients, but slightly different than what every other foundation smells like. All right. Where did I get interrupted? Oh, let me know if you'd be curious to see a try-on of that product. All right. Is there anything else? Yes, I feel... Oh, of course. Would it be me doing a haul in 2021 if I didn't pick up a black gel eyeliner? If any of you follow me, you know I'm on the hunt for the holy grail that will go into the waterline and not immediately transfer down to my bottom waterline. I have yet to find one. Who is this from? All right, so this is from LA Girl, and it's the Shockwave Neon Eyeliner, and this is in some form of black. All right, again, it has the plastic wrap, so I won't swatch it, but I'm going to do this in the hopes that when I do try it, it's the one, because I have yet to find one. Okay, that was the last item, so let me recap what I picked up. I got a BB cream from CATRICE, a serum primer also from CATRICE, a black gel eyeliner from LA Girl, a bullet lipstick from Ulta Beauty, Lash Princess waterproof mascara from Essence, the Chocolate Chip Cookie eyeshadow palette from iHeart Revolution, and the Rosé Fizz eyeshadow palette also from iHeart Revolution. I'm going to list on the screen in case anyone was curious how much I spent. And now I'm going to move along to the other haul, which is very mini, very small, but I did purchase it on the same day, and I've been dying to use items in here until I film it. This was my first time ever shopping at Daiso, which is a Japanese dollar store, although the prices I think are $1.50 or $3. I don't know. They're not $1, but it's like a dollar store. So I got this big pack of wet tissues. I think it was $1.50 for 170 sheets. This is mainly as I film, I can use it just to get rid of swatches on my hands. Nothing that I would use on my face, but it's a much better deal than actually buying makeup wipes just to get rid of swatches. I also picked up a pair of scissors because I'm always needing scissors to get into packaging. Who can't use a pair of scissors? Especially a pair for $1.50. I also got this 2-pack. They're 2 boxes, 90 count each, so a total of 180. And these are cotton puffs. So, you know, for your face, add some toner or whatnot. I use these all the time. And then I did pick up this pack of actual makeup wipes. These are coconut water makeup remover cleansing towels. They are made in Korea. You get 30 for $1.50. If they are over scented or irritate my skin, then again, I will just use them for swatches. But I do want to try them on my face. You know, emergency. By emergency meaning you didn't give enough time to take off your makeup and you got to go to bed. That's where these bad boys come into play. And then last, would it be me if I wasn't doing some kind of a haul? If I didn't pick up some sort of a lip product. Here I picked up 2 different lip glosses, or the same lip gloss in 2 different shades. We got a pink and like a nude. Again, these have the plastic wrap, and I'm just going to set these aside. Sorry, I'm not going to do a swatch, just because I have 8,000 lip products, and I'm on that Project Pan journey. Alright, so that was everything I got at Daiso. So let me know your comments. Do you have a Daiso? Do you shop it often? I had seen other people do unboxings on YouTube, and I was always like, ooh, that looks so fancy. But I'm not going to lie. The store itself was a little underwhelming. Maybe the one that we have was very small. The brightest of bright lights. Really crammed aisles. And I don't know. Maybe my expectations were set too high. We were in there for like 10 minutes. I was literally bored. Didn't find really what I was expecting to find. I don't know. I thought I could find more makeup tools and makeup items. They had a lot of like stuff if you want to create a bento box or take your stuff to school. I don't know. I think it was just a small place. But I will, if someday if I find another one that's much larger, give it another shot. But yeah, give me the Dollar Tree any day of the week over that Daiso store. But hey, I gave it a shot. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. If you're always curious what people pick up and buy, or if you just like supporting your friends, I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love for you to subscribe. And for those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really helps my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.